Hey everyone, my name is Manuel, and I'm with Manuel Mission Marketers. My wife and I are digital marketers who specialize in running local ads for your local business. It doesn't matter what type of business you guys have. If you're looking to grow and expand, you've come to the right place. Right now, there are not a lot of guarantees in life, but one guarantee is that everybody and their mom is scrolling on Facebook and on Instagram, and that everybody is using Google. And if you stick through this video, I'm going to explain to you how we can use these guarantees in life to grow and expand your business. Now, I want to explain something real quick, and that is what the difference is between us at Manual Mission Marketers and the other 95% of digital marketers out there. And so, first of all, we do not use websites. We send your potential clients to a landing page, which is like a glorified storefront or brochure cataloging your company's best work. We show them the services that you provide, testimonials, where you're located, and other things that the people that we are working with who have years of experience behind them building landing pages for companies just like yours, and we use exactly what they figured out that it has been proven to work. Okay, and I'll tell you this, the landing pages are simple, but they're very functional platforms to display your work that have one objective in mind, and that is for the customer to smash that call button to get the customer on the phone with your sales team so that you guys can then close that deal. And so another thing that we do that separates us from the flock of other digital marketers out there is that we do not just run Facebook ads, we do not just run Google ads, but we run them simultaneously as an integrated ad campaign. And because of this strategy, you guys, your business is going to see tremendous growth where other businesses in your same industry are slowing down. You will speed up. And so let me explain to you our marketing strategy. So let's say someone goes onto Google and they type in a service near me. It could be flooring near me, could be roofing near me. Insert your service near me, right? Get the point? And because of our Google search campaign, your ad, your company website is going to show up first. They're going to click, and that's going to bring them to your personalized landing page. And let's say that over a period of a month, there's 500 people from Google that click and view your landing page. Okay, so these numbers, you guys, are really low. We're using them just for simplicity, okay? So hold on to that 500 people from Google onto your landing page. And so at the same time, we have people scrolling on Facebook and Instagram who are now viewing your work because of our Facebook ad campaign. And let's just say for simplicity that another 500 people click your ads. So that's a total of 1,000 people who have clicked your ads over a 1 month period. These are all potential clients. It takes a lot to click an ad, you guys. And you're not going to click an ad, let's say for kitchen countertops, unless you are a homeowner who's in the market for kitchen countertops. You running with me? Okay, so now that we have this group of people who have clicked your ads and they've been to your landing page, what most marketers do at this point is they say, great, look, we had 1,000 people click, 1,000 people to your website, and you and your digital marketer are like, praise the Lord, that's amazing. And then your digital marketer goes out there and they relaunch the campaign fresh and forget all about those 1,000 potential clients, those 1,000 prospects, those 1,000 people interested in the service that you provide. And guys, this happens time and time again. People are lost in the wind. And so the people that we're working with who have been digital marketing for near a decade and have been teaching for half that, what they are saying is that they have never seen another digital marketer implementing these kind of strategies that we are about to share with you. And so let me tell you exactly what we're going to do. And this is going to be a freebie. And so a lot of you guys are going to say, why are you showing this to us? Why are you telling us this? Well, the simple answer is this. The other 95% of digital marketers, our competition out there, possibly your digital marketer that you're employing right now, they cannot build what I'm about to show you. They don't have the training, nor do they have the knowledge to do it themselves. And so Remember that landing page that we created specifically for your business, that super functional, amazing platform showcasing all of your best work with one single objective to get them to call you, get them to fill that information so that you can reach out? Remember the one? Remember that one? Where 1,000 potential clients have visited in the past month? Well, we put a tracking pixel in it. And now you may have heard people saying, even your own digital marketer saying, oh, we do tracking pixel, blah, 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 tracking code. But what our mentor is saying, who does assessments of marketing agencies, what he sees is, yes, many marketers are tracking clicks and all this stuff, but they're not doing it correctly, you guys. They're just not doing it. You see, their tracking doesn't work because they weren't trained correctly. This is key, you guys. They were trained in digital marketing at the international campaign level, not at the local level. You cannot take what you have learned at the international markets and bring them down into the local markets. It just does not work, you guys, plain and simple. And so now that we have had 1,000 potential clients access your landing page, we are then able to track these people correctly back to Facebook, back to Instagram, and we put them in their own custom audience, you guys. And this audience, we create a brand new ad campaign just for them, and it's a retargeting ad campaign. And this is where the power is. You see, every single person in this custom audience has already seen at least one of your ads, but statistically, a person needs to see your ad more than once to pull the trigger with your specific company. And that's why, you guys, this is so powerful, because we are then able to show them even more of your work, more pictures, more of your services, videos of you on the job site, and we are then able to retarget them over a period of 30 to 45 days, which is, guys, these are secrets in the trade, you guys. These numbers are top notch, all right? And so why would we decide to retarget these guys? Because they're interested. They've already shown it, you guys, by clicking your ad. How many ads are you guys clicking? It takes a lot to click an advertisement. These people are interested and they're in the market for the service that your company provides. So instead of throwing these potential leads away like the other 95% of digital marketers out there, we then retarget them with a variety of different ads, retargeting those people who have shown interest, building your brand's authority and trust between you and your potential client before ever doing business with them. And because of these reasons, this is why you will see success if you decide to come with us at Manuel Mission Marketers, and why other companies who are doing digital marketing are not seeing the success that they want, and why our customers are. I hope that if you guys found this video to be informative, that you would smash that like button, give us a subscribe, and if you have any questions, reach out to me. We'll leave a link out in the description. If you're ready to take a business to the next level, let us at Manuel Mission Marketers help you fund your mission and to reach the masses. Just go to manuelmissionmarketing.com and we can schedule a video chat or give us a call. Thanks for sticking with me. May God bless both you and your family. Until next time, I'm Ty Manuel with Manuel Mission Marketers.